credit is an awesome opportunity for high school students to earn both college and high school credit at the same time. The cool thing about dual credit is that it comes with various benefits, so it really depends on what the student's trying to achieve. But ultimately, students can, get college credits out of the way, they can get graduation, high school requirements out of the way, or we have students that just take our classes for fun. So some of the benefits we've seen of students is taking a college class not only gives them a lot of confidence for when they do enroll in college level courses after high school, but it also helps them complete a lot of general education requirements for their degrees. And lastly, a lot of these students actually enroll in the dual credit courses to complete high school graduation requirements. So for instance, with some of our partners, taking a class with us for a semester gives them a year-long credit at the high school. When they hear the Jumpstart dual credit, it's kind of intimidating, but they just have to do 4 easy steps. The first step is apply to Tmcc, which takes about 10 minutes to apply. It's the general Tmcc application. After they do that, we do have an orientation that kind of goes through what the program is, what are the requirements for Jumpstart student, what are some of the things they can expect, as well as the resources they have available to them. After they do the orientation, which they can do from home online, the third step is the permission to enroll form. This is the step that takes a little more effort on the student's part. They will have to get their parent and counselor signature, but this is where they tell us what courses they want to take, where we then go process their enrollment. So since Jumpstart students are under 18, they actually don't enroll themselves, with a few exceptions. So for the most part, we are the ones that process the enrollment for the students. So once they complete the third step, we will just send them a confirmation email letting them know, hey, you've been enrolled in your desired course. We do recommend that they have above a certain GPA, just because college level courses are, more rigorous. They will require more work on the student's behalf, so we want them to be ready. But ultimately, as long as they're from 9th through 12th grade, they qualify for dual credit. So we do have 2 awesome distinctions in our program. The first one is Jumpstart Cohort classes. So these are classes that we typically hold at high school sites or partner sites for a certain amount of high school students. The second distinction is the Jumpstart to Tmcc, which is when students can take a Tmcc course as long as they meet the prerequisites. So this part is a little more popular for students that have outgrown certain subjects in their school. So for instance, if they've taken every possible math course at their high school, the J2 portion is an awesome opportunity for them to come to Tmcc and take the next level of math that there is. We have a lot of different modes of instruction for Jumpstart students, just like any other college student. So we have online asynchronous courses, which mean they're completely online and do not have any set meeting days or times. We have web live, which means the class is online, but it does have designated days or times. And then we have, of course, the traditional in-person course, which they go during designated days and times in person. And then we also have hybrid. Hybrid means they actually go once in person and the rest online. The Jumpstart program is just one of the dual credit programs that Tmcc has to offer. We do have other awesome programs. So we have Cte College Credit, which is the articulated dual credit option. That means high school students can take their high school electives and get credit after they graduate, as long as they meet certain steps. For that program, they would actually contact Cte College Credit for those that are actually taking classes during the high school. And then we have Tmcc High School, which is more of a middle college experience. These students actually come to our Tmcc campus and take college level courses. With Tmcc High School, the goal is for them to graduate with an associate at the end of high school graduation. So they do accumulate a lot of credits. With the Jumpstart program, the difference with those 2 is that you can take a college level course while staying at your home school. You don't necessarily have to come to Tmcc full time or only take your high school electives. Ours is kind of like the best of both worlds. You can stay at your high school, be with your friends and still take college level courses and get ahead. I just want them to reach out and ask us questions. This is an awesome opportunity that they can take advantage now while they're in high school to either get ahead for their degree, meet graduation requirements, or meet awesome people and get gain that college experience that they will need for the long run. Tmcc is a place that makes you feel a part of something. I feel it's a campus where it's big and small enough to make you feel important in whatever program or degree that you're a part of. I think we have so many wraparound services, so many people that will genuinely care about these students and walk them through their degree. I am actually a proud Tmcc alum. I graduated from Tmcc back in 2014. I did my associates here and then I transferred out to UNR, but I actually worked here as a student worker as well, and I absolutely love Tmcc, so I think it's a great place to be.